In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Facebook mobile app. If your Facebook app is not opening or you are experiencing errors, then this video should help you solve the issues. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on your Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to settings, and my settings option is here. Tap on it to open, and from here go down and look for apps, and here is my apps option. Tap on it to open, and from this list look for manage apps. When you find it, tap on it and let it open. Now scroll down until you find Facebook app. Now as you can see, mine is here, so go ahead and tap on it. Now one of the reasons why your Facebook app is misbehaving or it is not responding is because of data. And what you want to do here is to go ahead and clear data. If you go to storage here, you'll find that there's a lot of user data on this Facebook app, and also we have cache data. So first go ahead and clear cache, and to do so just head over down here and you'll see clear data option is available. So when you tap on it, you'll see an option to clear cache. Now go ahead and clear cache by tapping on OK. And as you can see, our cache and even data has reduced, and this now should work. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and restart your phone and then try opening your Facebook app. At this point, it should work just well. Now should it not work, what you need to do is to come back here again, still select clear data, but this time around don't clear cache, but go ahead and tap on manage space. Now here you'll have an option to go ahead and clear cached content such as photos and videos. You can also go ahead and clear the account settings. If you tap on this and then select the option to clear, then you have to note that you have to log in afresh, because your email and password that is saved on your app will be wiped out, and then you'll have to log in afresh. So go ahead and clear the account settings and see if that solves the issue. Suppose you have done all that and you're still having a challenge using your Facebook app. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to Play Store and then look for the Facebook app and look for any update if they are available. As you can see, my Facebook is up to date. Look for any update if it is available. Instead of open, it will be written or it will display update. Go ahead and update your Facebook app and then open the app, and at this point your Facebook app should just work well. But should you still find a challenge or a glitch, now all you need to do is to go and uninstall the Facebook app and then come to Play Store and install it afresh. At this moment, everything will be cleared, and then you'll have a fresh new start with your Facebook app and without any challenge. So let me know if you have any question concerning the same. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.